Hey gang, welcome to another Beer Leads to Another, my search across America for the best craft breweries. Today takes us to Engine 15 Brewing Company, about a mile off the beach in Jacksonville, Florida. I'm down here on a little bit of business. You know, my son keeps reminding me that I don't ever ask you to like my videos or subscribe, and I guess you're supposed to do that if you want to have subscribers. This is really just a labor of love, but I do, spread the word about the blog, spread the word about my video reviews of the great craft breweries across America, and let's go inside and see what Engine 15 is all about.
I'm moving to my next box.
All right, guys, so we're back here at Engine 15 in Jacksonville, Florida. So I got one of their signature flights. These are all Engine 15 beers. They actually have a really great selection here from their own brewery as well as some visiting breweries. I saw some stuff from the Midwest in there. So I have the Straight 30W, which is a stout. I have their milk stout. I have their Sunday Funday double IPA. And then I have their double drop, which the beer tender told me is their signature beer and their most popular beer. So let's get into it here. So first up here at Engine 15 is the Straight 30 weight. Oh, that's really good. That is really, it's got a hint of chocolate to it. It has a classic stout taste. It's very, very smooth. That is really, really good. I am going to give that a solid 4.5 Champleys. So we're back here at Engine 15. This is their house milk stout. That's nice and light, nice and malty. It's again, I said this on the other beer, but it's true. This is very, very smooth. I really like this. The malt really comes through with this. Yeah. Again, I'm liking everything I'm tasting here. I'm going to give this another 4.5 Champleys. So sitting outside here at Engine 15 Brewing in Jacksonville, we're on to the Sunday Funday double IPA. I'm trying to figure out what that is that I'm smelling. The aroma, maybe a hint of fruit, maybe a hint of herb. Not overly hoppy, doesn't have that heavy IPA taste. Again, another stellar beer here at Engine 15. I'm going to give this 4 Champleys. Alright guys, now we're going to try the Double Drop IPA. This is sort of the signature beer, the beer tender told me, here at Engine 15 Brewing in Jacksonville. Don't forget, if you like my videos, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, share it with your friends. It's my adventures traveling the country looking for the best craft breweries in America. So, okay, the Double Drop. That is more of an IPA than the Sunday Funday was. The Sunday Funday was a little lighter, a little more herbal scent to it. The Double Drop, I don't dislike it, but it's got that heavy IPA taste. It's got that aftertaste to it. It really kind of hits the palate. But it's a great IPA. I would give it 3.5 Champleys. So guys, I came inside for one more beer here, and I'm trying the Captain Ahop. It's a New England IPA, a Stephen Keevil favorite, actually. Recommended to me by the beer tender here. There it is. That's really good. It's a good, smooth. I could see this be a good summer day drinker, and I would give this 3.5 Champleys. Hey guys, finishing up our visit here to Engine 15 Brewing. Another great brewery I found here in Jacksonville, Florida. I really liked the beers that I sampled here, and the food. I did not sample the food while I was here, but some of the patrons told me that the tacos are #1. So 2 thumbs up, Engine 15 Brewing. Remember, if you like the channel, subscribe, and if you like the videos, give them a thumbs up, share them with your friends, and we'll keep crossing the country looking for America's best craft breweries.